Jerry Taft, Realtor and Personal Real Estate Corporation with Mountain Town Properties. I'm based in Invermere, BC, and this is my beautiful new listing, 5352 Dutch Creek Road. This is my beautiful new listing, 5352 Dutch Creek Road. Fully renovated, 4 bedrooms, just a stunning house, stunning yard. You have to see this one to believe it. You know, some people think in this location, this is the kind of home and property that someone is going to fall in love with because it's so well done. It's got so much character, yet it's modern and elegant, and it's just a beautiful offering. Here we are at the front of the home, and from the front you get the sense that it is a beautiful home and a well-maintained yard, but until you see the entire package, you need to understand how amazing this is. Beautiful, beautiful property. As you notice here, paved driveway, lots of parking spaces, and you've got this really inviting front porch and beautiful front yard with mature trees. And before we go too far and get into the house, I'll just sort of show you from the other angle as well, the second driveway and the garage. Go quick little scan of the street, really quiet neighborhood, mix of full-time and part-time residents. And as you notice here, there's the second driveway, and again, this view of the front yard here. It's got a 1.5 car detached garage. I'll just pop in there in a second, take a look at the garage space. A really good size, and it's also extremely finished space. So it's insulated and heated. You got beautiful kitchen cabinets back here. These cabinets are nicer than some people's home, and you know, this again is a really nice feature to the home. Not all of the houses in this location have a garage, so to me this is a great space. Right. So let's pop inside the home and just see how beautiful and renovated this space really is. It is an excellent renovation. The perfect balance between rustic country cabin, but elegance and modern. And before we go upstairs and see the rest of the house, I really love some of these features, like the in-floor lighting that automatically comes on for the staircase, and just having the vaulted ceiling and this really large living room space with a wood-burning fireplace. The covered deck space on both sides of the road, it's so inviting, and just gonna pan around so you can kind of get a sense of the home. But the renovation is beautiful. To me, it feels like you're in a lodge, like you're in a hotel, and it's both comfortable, feels like home, but it also feels so refined and just such a beautiful space. So as we continue along, I'm gonna show the rest of the flow here. Beautiful dining room and kitchen area as well. And just again, there isn't a single detail that hasn't been considered. Everything has been completely redone, and it's beautiful but also practical. You know, the layout is really pleasant. There's a lot of storage space. You've got these closets here used as a pantry. Kind of skipped over here, but you've got the entry closet and then a really nice half bath guest bathroom right here. So this is being used as a pantry, and so again, it's great to have this kind of extra storage space, really practical. I also really love this laundry room, so you've got a mudroom, laundry room kind of right off the driveway here, and again, lots of storage, really bright, really functional, and gives you, just a great flow to the home. And again, the kitchen is awesome. The amount of cabinet space, counter space, the appliances, everything is just perfect condition. But this covered back porch, this is really cool. Let's go check it out. So this covered porch, screened in, really truly a 3-season room, and it's just a lot of space out here, and it's beautiful. You get to look at your own yard, covered and private. Just a really nice space, and this flows along into the rest of the covered deck here with the barbecue. And so again, lots of space back here, perfect for entertaining. It's a beautiful, beautiful lot, beautiful yard, and as you can see, a really nice fire pit area. This is kind of behind the 1.5 car detached garage, but it's such a nice space, and it's already beautiful. But flowers, depending on what you want to do. There's room to do a garden, to do more flowers. So it really has so many things that could be done. It's totally up to you how you want to use this space. Okay, so before we head down into the basement and see that space, let's head upstairs and check out the bedrooms upstairs. All right, so again, these stairs with this lighting, to me, it's really elegant. It's really nice. And as we get to the top of the stairs, you've got a little bit of this loft space here. Just the style, you know, the railing and everything just fits the space. You've got this nice mix of kind of original and rustic with this modern elegance. So we've got the master bedroom here, and beautiful vaulted ceiling, beautiful wood in here, large king-size bed. So this flows into the ensuite, where we've got a really nice shower, double vanity, soaker tub, really nice space in here. And one of the things to kind of highlight as well is there is a door on the other side, so this could be a Jack and Jill bathroom, or it could be used as more of an exclusive ensuite, but it does give you options. Continue along the hallway here, we've got another bedroom here. And again, this is a good sized room, vaulted ceiling, wood. Here, this is the door that was kind of referenced. It could be a Jack and Jill bathroom. And then we've got the third bedroom up here. And similar to the others, you've got the vaulted ceiling, you've got the wood, and all the bedrooms also have closets as well. Just going to kind of pan around and show that. Okay, so we're going to head down into the basement, and it's worth noting this is a consistent renovation. So it's the same style throughout, which is awesome, because sometimes you get homes where there's different styles and vintages to the different renovations, and this is all consistent. So this has got a beautiful flow, really nice kind of family den room over here, cozy wood stove. Right now it's kind of set up as a bit of a fitness space, kind of workout space. Potentially this could be another bedroom if you want another bedroom, but really nice space down here. And yeah, again, like the rest of the house, it's so classy and well done. So as we continue along, on this side over here, we've got a little bit of a storage closet right here. So yeah, lots of storage space in there. We've got over here what's being used as an office right now, which could also be a small bedroom, depending on the use, if you need that kind of space. There is, again, another really good sized storage kind of closet space as well. All right, and as we continue along, now we've got the fourth bedroom, and again, compared to the rest of the house, it's a great spot for a guest bedroom. You kind of have your own privacy. It's sort of separate from the rest of the home. So beautiful space. Doesn't feel, you know, even though it is a basement, it's quite bright, and it doesn't really feel like a dingy basement at all. And then the full bath down here, this is beautiful, beautiful bathroom. So really well done. Just such a classy space, and again, just bright, pristine, beautiful. And there's even a little bit of extra storage under the stairs. Could be a little Harry Potter room, but again, good use of the space. So just gonna show around the yard and the house, and we saw some of this from the back deck, but it's just nice to kind of see it from this perspective. Again, it's just a really beautiful yard, a lot of space back here, and well maintained. And even though there are some homes nearby, it feels quite private. It feels very separate back here. And when you pan around this way, you kind of get a sense of the scale of the home as well. And it's quite a beautiful view of the house from this angle. And yeah, there is a really good feeling to the yard, to the space, to the location. So the little mini version of the house, this is the cutest little shed possible. And great space for the lawnmower and for some of the shed type stuff. And again, just a really nice little workshop space. As mentioned, there's lots of room here if someone wants to do a garden or get more flowers, or, you know, depending on what you want to do with the space. It is already fenced, you know, perfect for if you have a dog. Like, there's just a lot of really great features. And on this side, just going to show you as we kind of loop around here. Nice covered firewood area, perfect storage for firewood. And again, easy access in and out as far as that mudroom. So really nice layout. So in conclusion, really beautiful house, great yard, great location. You know, you're only minutes away from Fairmont, you're 20 minutes, 25 minutes from Invermere, from Lake Windermere, and only minutes away from Columbia Lake as well. So lots of options here. This would be ideal for full-time living. Also viable as a cabin. So there's lots of options. Check out the 3D tour and then reach out to myself or your realtor for more information. But compared to what else is available right now, this is a special property, a special home, and it really deserves some consideration. Thank you very much.